Hi everyone. First, apologies for sending this announcement out later than usual. I've had a number of midterm administrative tasks and calls to handle this morning. But here we are, and this week we are moving into Unit 3, writing about data. And although I've always taught students how to write about numerical information, I am taking a different approach this summer. The in-class activity is new-ish. I've run a different version of it in past semesters. And the assignment is one I'm trying for the first time. My goal in overhauling the unit was to make it more practical and efficient, and I'm excited to try it out. So no matter what job you're in, it's imperative that you understand both what kind of information you're looking for and how to find that information. I always encourage students to explore ACC's library resources, which are more focused and also curated for quality. However, there are times when it's appropriate to look elsewhere. So in tomorrow's activity, for example, we're going to be looking at retail websites to collect pricing information for roofing materials. My hope for this unit is that you'll understand when it's most appropriate to seek out information through the library and when the internet will give you the information you need. I also want you to develop a critical eye for internet resources. It's fine to use the internet, but you need to focus on finding quality information out there in the sea of data. Being able to write about data accurately and efficiently is a key skill for many industries. Whether you are writing to an external audience or for your team at work, being able to analyze a data set and provide solid recommendations or key takeaways is a skill that will serve you well. Most decisions in professional industries are driven by data. So if you can collect quality data and break it down in meaningful ways, you have the ability to assist in making important decisions. In our formatting focus for this unit, we're going to turn our attention back to graphics, but specifically tables and graphs, because tables and graphs contain information you've had to research, APA, and other citation systems, wants you to caption and cite them a little differently than we've done with photos and drawings. So we'll review that as part of our data table overview tomorrow. It's important to understand the basics of making graphs because even the most well-written data summary will be stronger if it includes quality graphics. Not only are we as humans with human brains driven by data, but we are visually oriented creatures. So being able to take numerical information, which often seems pretty abstract, and putting it in visual form will help the reader understand your report. So the agenda for class tomorrow, the data table exercise. I'm preemptively attaching the PowerPoint to this message. The chart building demo, this was originally scheduled for next week, but honestly, it fits in the context of this week's exercise much better. So we're gonna just take care of it tomorrow. I'm gonna go over the report overview and details of the unit assignment, and we're gonna have a research methods PowerPoint. And I'll, again, preemptively attach the PowerPoint to this email version of this message because otherwise I will forget. All right, just 2 deadlines for this week. 1, complete the research methods quiz by Friday, July 2nd at 11:59 p.m. And then recommended complete the draft of your data report by Monday, July 5th because we're going to have a peer critique of data reports in class on Tuesday, July 6th. So please have a draft of your data report ready to go. You do not need to post or submit your draft anywhere. You only need to submit the revised version via Blackboard at the end of the unit. So here's an extra credit opportunity because, we're in week 5. We're almost halfway through the summer. For 10 bonus points, let me know the most interesting, important, or useful thing you've learned in this class so far, and please send your response by Sunday, July 4th at 11:59 p.m. All right, I will see you tomorrow.